What is an API? So, API, the full form of API is Application Programming Interface. So, the API basically connects two softwares. Simple example that I go to a restaurant and I order something and order a food. The waiter comes, the waiter takes that order, give it to the kitchen or the chef. The chefs prepare the food, and then the waiter collects that food and give it to me. In this simple analogy, the API here is the waiter who took order from me and delivered food to me, and the client side, or in this particular example me sitting in a restaurant, is representing the client side, or the front end, you can say, and the chef or the kitchen is representing the back end where the actual processing of things happens. So then, taking it to bit further, the APIs or the application programming interface is widely used in the software industry. Then taking another example of the Rapido. So inside the Rapido platform, you might be seeing the cabs, your location, and all the things. Does that mean that Rapido has all these servers for map? No, that is not the case. So Rapido in this case is using Google Map API to show us the information of a ride, your location, etc. So then, coming to what are the different methods of API. So the different methods are get, post, put, and delete. So get is something that we use to retrieve some data from the database. Is the method would be get, and post, where we want to create a new record, uh, and then put, maybe doing some updates in the existing records, and delete is deleting the record. Taking the simple example of the Google of a registration form, if I am hitting a API which is for get retrieving the information, so the method used here would be get, and I would retrieve the information of all the registration that are done for an event. Let's take the example. And post would be, I would be adding a new registration uh, in the database. Then I would be using the API with a different API, of course, with post method, which will be used to update the registrations uh, in the database, or not update, actually it is addition of a new record. And put would be that I want, let's say I have put a wrong phone number during my registration. So if I'm changing it, so in this case put method would be used to update my phone number to a new method, to a new phone number. And then delete, let's say I want to delete my registration from my event. Then a delete method would be used, and it will remove the data from the database. uh, so now, understanding what are the different API responses. So different API responses are, so basic one is 200 OK, it means everything is successful, and 400, it means there was something is wrong, and 401 is unauthorized, uh, and 500 means server error is there. And the response body, so generally it is JSON. You get data in the form of JSON in general case. There are other response format as well. Uh, yes, and that response body is that comes from the backend to the front end, and the front end modifies as per its logic and show you the response. So Postman is a tool which is uh, which is helpful to carry out the API testing.